important for female students to attend the conference because the gender imbalance can be demotivating for some, and as the largest gathering of women technologists in the world, the conference will act as a way to motivate students.
The purpose of the Grace Hopper Conference is to promote a presence of women in technology. It's a place where women can gather from all over the world to share in their collective passion of the STEM fields.
I want to attend the Grace Hopper Conference because I feel that it's going to provide me with networking opportunities that I wouldn't have elsewhere.
In addition to the major tech companies being there are hundreds of universities who also attend, so their female students can get together and talk about what excites them about the STEM fields.
My favorite part of Grace Hopper were the keynote speakers. Their speeches were inspiring, and it just made me feel like I can succeed too. After the conference, I started the ACMW, which is a women's chapter of ACM at UNO. I found it important to start ACMW so that there could be a support system for the females in computer science. With more diversity comes more ideas. Attending Grace Hopper completely reassured that I made the right decision by choosing computer science as my major.
Thank you for your support.
Thank you for your support. Thank you for your support.